Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Ruthie's Nuggets. Yes, so thank you guys so much for your love and your support thus far. And thanks to my friend, I decided to glam my face up today. I was like, why not just do a video so you guys can see? Please. Alright guys, so on today's video I'm going to be talking about relationships. So I'm going to be talking about 5 wrong assumptions about relationships. So the thing is, assumptions are wrong, so you don't need to assume, you need to get the facts right. And a lot of people have made assumptions about relationship that is not, and they just tend to get broken, start regretting at the end of the day, thinking, oh, they've been dating this person, and meanwhile they've been in a relationship all by themselves. Okay guys, so on this channel, on this video today, I'll be talking about what people think is a relationship but it's not. They're actually tools and things to spice up a relationship, but they are not the relationship in the real sense. So relationship in real sense is 2 people, a guy and a girl, with an agreement, a mutual agreement and intentions known, coming together for a purpose, for marriage. And basically marriage is like the real purpose of a relationship. So until that agreement is fixed, until that agreement is there, my dear, you are dating yourself. Okay, so when the agreement is not there, do not assume that you are in that relationship. And that's one thing I've learned. I've made mistakes from over time. I really like to share. The first thing is, friendship is not relationship. Friendship is friendship. Relationship is an extension of your friendship. So just because you are friends with a person and you now assume that, oh, we're friends, he's always around me, we're always doing this together, doing that together, means you're dating. No. Until he has made the intentions known to you, until she has agreed to your proposals and all that, not marriage proposal in quotes, relationship proposal, that is when you guys know that you are in a relationship together. Until then, friendship is friendship. Do not assume that because they are your friends means you guys are in a relationship. Do not chase the right one away because of one of your friends that is not saying anything yet. Okay, and if you like a lady, she's your friend, fine, you have to tell her, let her know. Don't just sit there and say, oh, we're friends, we're good together, means we are in a relationship. That's not it. The second one is calls, text messages and chats. You can spend 5 hours with somebody online, chatting, talking, laughing together, until intention is made known. No relationship. Don't assume the calls, the text messages and everything for a relationship. Don't. Calls, text messages, they are means, they are what we use to make the relationship better. Don't just say, oh, he calls me every day, he texts me every day, he chats with me every day, or she chats with me every day. It means that we are dating. You guys are not. You are just in the process of getting to know yourselves better, and these are what makes relationship beautiful. So until the intention is made known, do not assume. The third thing here is being nice. Yes, so the thing is, I've come to understand that when somebody is nice to me, thank you is what I'll say. Thank you. Okay, until you make your intentions known, I would not sit down and assume that you want to date me or we are dating. No, that's one assumption, one mistake people make, that because we are nice to each other, because he takes care of me, buys this for me, buys that for me, he's always, when I call him, he's always available, he's always ready, she's always ready to talk to me and everything. Until it is made known, until you guys have agreed that we want to be in a relationship, don't just take the niceness for dating. Oh, I'm dating this person and that because he's nice to you. My dear, enjoy the niceness, okay? But do not sit back and relax and assume you guys are in a relationship. Have you subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button and the notification bell, so when I post a video, you'll be the first to watch. Okay, we'll move to number 4. Sex is not relationship. You guys are friends with benefits, yeah, whatever. I don't know what that thing is called, but when you're having sex with somebody, you're wasting your time. You're wasting your time because you can't use sex to keep a man. You can't use sex to hold a man. So sex is not relationship. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So don't make that mistake thinking that, oh, because we are always caught up in bed together, we are dating. You are wasting your time. I'm sorry to say this, but you are wasting your time, wasting your body, you are wasting your energy. sex is not relationship. Until the person has said it, I will keep on saying it again, until intention is made known. Don't get caught up in that web. Don't get soaked up. And at the end of the day, just this person you're having sex with, this person that is nice to you, this person that is your friend, might actually have somebody else he or she likes. And what happens? You just soak yourself and start crying and feel bad. Don't assume that sex is relationship. And the last thing I'm going to mention is going out on dates is not relationship. Yes, going out on dates with this person. Siblings go on dates, friends go on dates, family members go on dates, business partners go on dates. So you guys, your own is not different. Just because he asks you at the cinema or he asks you to the beach and everything. I don't know why I'm just mentioning he. I'm not trying to be like gender-based bias here, but I'm just saying from my point because I'm a lady, okay? So just because he is saying you should go out on dates and everything does not mean he's in a relationship with you. See, this guy has to sit you down and tell you that, okay, this is it. I want us to be together. I want to get to know you more, blah, 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 for the purpose, for a purpose. Whatever purpose you define, but the goal standard purpose is marriage. So if you guys are not in for that, don't make assumptions that, oh, because we're going out on dates, we're in a relationship. Don't make that assumption because, oh, he's buying me gifts, he's nice to me, he takes me out, he calls me every day, he's my friend, he's my best friend. He can be your anything, okay? He or she can be your anything. But until you guys have come together to agree that we want to be together for a purpose leading to marriage, please don't make that assumption. Ladies and guys, please just guard your heart diligently. Guard your heart. Don't get carried away by everything you see. Don't get carried away by the niceness and everything. And when he or she has many intentions known, pray. Okay, let me just chip this in. Because this person is good, because it's a good plan, does not mean it's a God plan. So my dear, watching this video, I know you guys are super sweet and super amazing. I just want you not to fall into this heartbreak web. It's not a good thing, okay? Or assuming here and there. Okay guys, so let me just stop here right now. I just wanted to make this video very short and simple and show you guys my glam face, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you loved the video. If you did, please do well to give me a like, thumbs up, give me a like, comment, share to your family and friends, share to that teenager that you know about, share to that young person you know about that wants to just sit back and start assuming he or she is dating this person. Share to your friends and family. And if you're to subscribe, you want to see this fine face all the time, right? Sorry, I'm not going to be using makeup all the time, but if you want more of these nuggets like this, please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscription bell button and the bell so when I post a video you'll be notified. And guys, let me just show this out there. If you want, what kind of content do you want to see on my channel, what kind of video do you want me to talk about? I'm willing and open to learn and everything. So what else do you want to see on my channel? You guys just do well to let me know in the comment section. Just comment, talk about it, and as the spirit leads, I'll definitely come out here to talk, okay, and everything. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching constantly. You guys are amazing. Bye. Is this Ruth? Oh my god.